So what was life like before GKE?
Every week, something happened. Something was breaking. As more people are standing in the queue at my desk, as more critical the situation is, we had to babysit that cluster more or less every day with a 24/7 response crew.
Sheer pain.
Initially, we chose a different setup to run our platform on a different Kubernetes environment and offering. And this really brought us into some trouble.
You know what really caused us to move to a Kubernetes environment was the inability to manage our applications at scale.
Kubernetes originated at Google, and we really built it from the ground up.
When we started with Kubernetes, it was clear to us this is going to be a critical technology that everyone will need if they want to build internet scale and cloud native applications.
You know, as a tech company, you grow, right? And you start thinking, how do I manage the crazy number of applications?
Out of the blue, 15 new machines appear in your cluster and you can utilize it because you have a load spike or something like this. And when you don't need it anymore, it just disappears.
GKE gives us an edge, such as providing a scalable and highly reliable container runtime for solving problems such as security and compliance out of the box and being extensible for future customer applications.
Open source is a really great innovation in this era because you have so many eyeballs looking at it.
Let's say without Kubernetes and without GKE, we would not be able to scale and grow as customers are expecting it from us.
People are starting to understand how powerful it is to use a system that empowers you to innovate, to move fast, to automate everything.
We've allowed customers to very rapidly adapt Kubernetes in a simple way. Great example of overcoming this complexity is Autopilot. I would say it brings that years of experience that Google has and allows you to be an expert and in production in only minutes.
I think that GKE is the foundation of the open cloud. That's what I think GKE is.
GKE simply works.
It simply works.
Simply works.
If I had to describe it in one phrase, it just works.